Hi everyone, I'm Jetromar J. Sumayang. I am the one who will report for today, and our topics is all about fittings. Okay, when we say fittings or adapter is used in pipe system to connect straight section of pipe or tube, adapt to different sizes or shapes. These fittings are used in plumbing to manipulate the convenience of water, gas, or liquid waste in domestic or commercial environments within a system of pipes or tubes. A variety of fittings must be used to connect pipes length and make all the pipe turns, branch line, couplings that join the straight runs and stop at the end of the run. Okay, usually we say these fittings or adapter in our house, or not usually, but for me it's all house have this, like for example gripo. Okay, next is, so we have heard some fitting example. Elbows. First is elbows. When we say elbows, this is usually at 45 degrees and 90 degrees are angular fittings used to change the direction of a supply pipe. On a sanitary drainage system, a sanitary vent makes a more gradual turn to prevent blockage. Okay, ito yung mga nakikita natin pag pinapa-turn right or left natin yung straight na mga pipe. For example, may blockage siya, may poste, then ito gamitin natin para i-turn right or left natin. And the next is T-type pipe fittings. From the word T-type, okay, what's come to our mind? So, it is form of T, right? Okay, we will know what is the T-type pipe fittings. T-type fittings is component of plumbing system which is T-shape. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, the T-shape. It is having one inlet and two outlets. Outlets are arranged at 90 degrees to the main line connection. Inlets, ito yung pababa or pataas mo. Pataas mo ba siya? At ang outlets ay ito yung the main line connection arranged. Reducer pipe fittings. Reducer is a pipe fittings component which reduces the flow size from larger to smaller by reducing size of pipes. Concentric reducer, which is cone shape with gradual decreasing around the pipe, but in this case, accumulation of air may possible and it results in cavitation. And we have eccentric reducer, which is having one edge parallel to connecting pipe, due to which accumulation is not possible. Used in pipe system between two pipes of different diameters. And we have the difference between concentric and eccentric. A concentric construction causes muscles to shorten, thereby generating force, while the eccentric construction causes muscles to elongate in response to a greater opposing force. Isometric construction generate force without changing the length of the muscle. And we have the cross-type fitting. Cross-type fittings contains 4 openings in 4 directions. These are connected when there are 4 pipes are meeting at a point. For example, may pipe tayo from the right and the left and up and down. So, ang gamitin natin ay the cross-type fittings para mag-meeting sila at one point. And we have coupling fitting. A coupling is used to connect the pipes of same diameter. From the word same diameter, magka-sinlaki. Coupling are also useful if the pipe is broken or leakage occurs. So dito, kung may pipes tayo ng mga leakage or broken, pwede natin to gamitin para mawala yung leakage. Generally, there are 2 types of coupling. The first is compression coupling. Is regular coupling which is connected between 2 pipes and it prevents leakage by the arrangement of gasket or rubber seals on both sides. And the second one is sleeve coupling. It's easier to install and it contains 2 pipes which are arranged as one into other. Inner pipe can slide up to some length. The next is we have union fittings. Union is a type of fittings which function as similar to coupling, but coupling cannot be removed after fixing, but in this case, we have removed the union whenever we need it. So, ang union pala ay magkasimilar sila sa coupling. Pero, ang coupling ay hindi na ma-remove after fixing. But dito ay pwede natin ma-remove whenever we needed. The next, we have adapters. If the pipes are not having special ends or plain ends, then adapters make them treated either male or female, whichever is needed. Adapters are generally used for copper and PVC pipes. Male adapters contains male threads and female adapters contains female threads. So, ang male pala ay para lang sa male threads and ang female ay para din sa female. And we have next is OLEDs. Current device RCD is a type of circuit breaker which shuts off electric power when it sends an imbalance between the outgoing and incoming current. The main purpose is to protect people from an electric shock caused when some of the current travels through a person's body due to an electric fault such as a short circuit, insulation failure, or equipment malfunction. So, ito palang OLEDs yung makakatulong sa atin para ma-safe tayo kasi siya yung maka-shut off ng electric power pag meron silang masisense na short circuit sa electrical. Okay, we have some sample OLEDs. Next is welder LED, socket LED, elbow LED, triode LED. Next is plug. It's a component of plumbing component which is generally used to close pipe opening during inspection and repairs. So meron tayo kaninang nag-end, yung tinatawag natin na female and male thread. We have there the plug, which is yun yung ginagamit para i-close yung isang pipes if in case during inspection and repair ay madali lang natin matanggal. Cap is a type of pipe fittings which is function is same as plug, but the only difference is plug contain male threads and cap contain female threads, which is screw on the male thread of pipe. Then dito ay pareho lang din sa plug, pero ang magkaiba, ang cap ay para sa female threads, which is screw on the male thread of pipe. Next is valves in pipe fitting. Valves are component of plumbing system used to stop or regulate flow of fluid. So dito ay makikita natin to sa all house. Pag may water tayo, ito yung sa main na painaan natin or palakasan or i-off natin pag may ayusin tayo para or ito yung control ng water sa isang house or the main na siya yung i-off on natin pag kailangan natin painaan o palakasin yung agas. The next is we have the gate valve. The gate valve is a manual valve that has a wedge-shaped lip that, when closed, seals tightly against two metal seats that are set at slight angles. And we have angle valves. Angle stops are named because they are manufactured at a 90-degree angle. They are used as shut-off valves at the water intake of plumbing fixtures or appliances. The angle valve is not meant for high-pressure application. The type of connection used for angle stops are sweat, threaded, and compression connection. And we have the last one, the check valve. A check valve, clock valve, non-return valve, reflux valve, retention valve, or one-way valve is a valve that normally allows fluid to flow through it in only one direction. So, sa isang direction lang siya nag-allow na doon i-flow ang water. And that's the end of my report. I hope you understand, even though not all, but I hope you understand some of my reports, like what is adapters. As you can see, we have male and female. What is to use when there is a broken or leakage. And that's all. Thank you.